This is again for tonight's New Year's Eve dinner, and this is called Zeppole. Italian. My mother always used to make them for Easter, Christmas and New Year, right? It's something traditional that you really got to make, you know. Instead of eating bread, you can have this.
Is it a religious thing or?
No, it's not a religious thing, but it's just a traditional.
Okay.
Right.
Yep.
So what I put in here is a kilo of double O flour, a tablespoon of salt, 2 sachets of dry yeast, and that's it.
Water?
And water, of course. Lukewarm water.
How much?
And then till it comes to it doesn't have to be, if you make it a hard consistency, then the Zeppole will be hard.
Okay.
So if you leave it nice and loose, not too loose, but like this, look. Okay? Some oil for your hands, right? Dip your hands in oil, like that. And then the oil is very hot. Grab a bit and then just lay them in. Lay them in like that. Okay. Lay them in. See how they're quite sloppy and very sticky. And just lay them in the oil, like so. Now, you can't guarantee what shapes these come out.
Obviously.
You just have to go with the flow, like so. Another one. And these will become really light, not like a brick, nice and light. You'll notice I put in about 1.5 cups of oil. When I'm finished doing them, there should be still about a little less than 1.5 cups of oil, because they just don't take up a lot of oil. These first ones might a bit, but they'll be fine. Right?
So that's just on paper?
Just on paper towel, just to soak whatever bit of oil's there.
Yep.
It'll just soak that up, like so. There. Now, oil the hands again. And some Italians will think that this is too sloppy, but even like so. As soon as they hit the oil, they will puff up like that.
Now this lot's quicker.
It is quicker. It's obviously the oil wasn't as hot. But as soon as they hit the oil, they will just puff up, and because it's sloppy, all the air is inside, so they come nice and light. And
Right.
the air is what you want.
Oh, you want them aerated?
Huh?
Aerated.
Aerated. Just, you know,
Aerated.
yeah, aerated. Whatever you like.
Yeah. What's Italian for air raisin?
Wouldn't have the foggiest. This is the finished product of the Zeppole. Now I just want to show you how crunchy they are. Nice and crunchy. Now Mark, taste test, which is the one you were going to do, that one. It's nice and crunchy. Well, you don't like it crunchy, do you?
That is really crunchy.
Good. Yeah, good. Not oily.
And very light.
Very light. And this is what I'm saying. You've got to use vegetable oil because the vegetable oil has a much higher frying time, right? So when as soon as you put them in the oil, and because I left the pastry or the mixture very sloppy and very highly, I put 2 bags of yeast for 1 kilo of double O flour.
And
so,
it's very aerated.
And it's very aerated.
Yeah.
And very crunchy and look, very soft. So now everything's done. What I'm going to do is put the lasagna in the oven, but I'm not going to turn the oven on.
Oh, we get lasagna too?
No, sorry, lasagna.
Oh.
I'll put the stuffed eggplant.
Oh, we don't get lasagna.
You don't.
Oh, okay.
My mother used to as well.
Yeah.
But no.
No.
These in the oven. Yeah. Going to put the fried chicken in the oven. And
Camera. Yep.
And then the stuffed eggplants, I'm going to put in the oven now, but I'm not going to turn it on till tonight. Okay? That can go there. Just so it's out of the
way of
atmosphere.
Yeah.
So, that's it. So, cut. I will show you the finished product when I set everything up tonight before I serve it up.
Say that again.
Huh?
Because you hiccuped all the way through there.
Ah.
I'll show you.
Okay, I will show you the finished product when I put them in a platter and display what I'm serving later tonight before I serve it up.
After your nana nap.
After my nana nap,
Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah.
I should have had a beer.
You should have.
And cut. These are delicious, by the way.
And very airy. Yeah.
Okay. Cut.
Again.
Okay. Got the drift?
Right.
My lovely friend Chris made these.
But plain. Very plain. Yeah, well,
These are the Zeppole that I made earlier.
I don't like oily fishes, but...
I like the Barefoot Contessa.
So
Yes.
that's Tony, I have a question.
Question asked.
These
Yes, I
We
do.
have
2 people in our group,
Uno.
like Gordana
Bueno.
and Chris, who doesn't like it at all. Don't call it marinara, spaghetti marinara.
I didn't.
Spaghetti I made earlier. No, I'm just...
I don't like oily fishes like salmon.
Yeah, well, I do like them.
Oh, just on a plate. Hang on.
No, I've made
All right,
it.
okay.
I've made it into a plate.
Okay, alright.
Into a silver
Okay.
jubilee plate.
Alright.
That
Christmas.
might be going on.
Wait, no. I can say by authority that's not too bad.
Boom, 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 boom.
Okay, so what I want to say is thank you to all my friends. New Year's Eve, and it's only 20 to 10. End of story.
Thanks, Clark.
Cut!
Bye.
Cut!